S4 Sport. Let's take a quick look at it. Woo! Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. So this is the Xiaomi Watch S4 Sport. As Lei Jun, the CEO of Xiaomi, said, this is the best smartwatch they've ever made. Is that true? In this video, let's unbox and hands on. Let's get started. Alright, so Xiaomi Watch S4 Sport. Alright, here's the unboxing, the image here. Xiaomi Watch S4 Sport. S4 Sport, you know, everything here, okay? Xiaomi HyperOS supported, and let's check out some of the highlights. Titanium metal about it, you know, sapphire glass, professional running mode. Okay, they have worked with some organization to provide even more, you know, professional modes, and routable Chrome, eSIM independent communication, independent satellite positioning, and okay, it supports offline map. Whoa, that's great. And Xiaomi HyperOS, some information here. Let's just unbox it. Okay, I've unboxed it before. Okay, that is a watch. Ooh. When you take this out, you would know that this is a premium one. Okay, we'll take a closer look at later. Let's check out what else we got. Obviously, a card, okay, and the magnetic charging cable. Okay. Okay, you know, it's magnetic, that's all right. Another more detailed Chinese menu, and that's it. That's what's all included in the box. Now, let's just move to the watch. All right, now let's take a closer look at the Xiaomi Watch S4 Sport. The moment you get your hands on the watch, you know it is made for dedicated outdoor users, because you see the finish, the cutting lines, like so hardcore, you know, so rugged. The strap is detachable, quick release button here, just like that. You can take it out, take it off easily, put it back, take a little bit more effort, I guess. Okay. and that's it. Now let's check out other designs. We have the heart rate monitor sensor back here. And all this covered with the sapphire glass, and should withstand any, you know, scratches here. Charging contacts, and this is the front panel. Okay, the two arrows here. And what's more importantly, there are three physical keys. Up key, routable Chrome, and it's started with this orange finish. Wow, looks really premium and more expensive, right? And the down key. And now let me just show you what these keys are for. So a single tap on this up key, you can customize features, and also if you double tap it, you can hang up the core if you have the core, you know. And now for this routable Chrome, so just single press, you will go from the main interface to this app list. And when you rotate, it gives you this kind of vibration feedback, which is really nice. To be honest, I can crank this all day long. When you are in a specific function, like outdoor here, you can just press here to confirm, like I choose freestyle, and then you can press to confirm. Double press to go to the home interface. Press and hold to activate the voice assistant. Hello? Okay, the environment is too noisy, so how are you? Okay, definitely cannot recognize English. All right, anyway. And for the down key, you press, you go back to the last step. Okay, and if you press and hold it, it will reboot and power off. All right, and factory reset. All right, when you just connect to your phone, it will show you a tutorial. Okay, start. Let me just give you a quick gesture control. So swipe down, we see the notification center. Swipe up, we see the shortcuts like D&D, rain mode, settings, and torch, you know. Ooh, SOS mode, I like that. And settings, you can Good watch face, workout and connect display, everything is here. And speaking of this brightness, it has a brightness of up to 2200 nits. That is crazy. You can view this on the direct side without any problem. And swipe left, you can see different widgets. You can customize this in your app. Okay. Swipe left or right. And speaking of app, let's just go over to like really quickly. Here, the app already connected, and this the health. It's pretty much like the Mi Band, okay? They're actually using the same Mi Fitness app, the data, your sleep, your BPM, steps, everything's here. Health, the workout, you can see everything here. It offers you some tutorials for you. And device, here you can set difference. You can choose whatever apps you want to show on the notification center or something. Everything so is here. Everything is here. And profile is about you, and that is the app. I'm not going to talk too much about it. All right, and that is basically the gesture controls for the Xiaomi Watch S4 Sport. Let me just wear it. Oh, heart rate. Let me just measure it a little bit. 74 BPM. So that's quite normal, I guess. 78. Let me try sport, maybe. Working, hiking, trekking, freestyle. Let me try one. Freestyle. Okay, let's go. Let's do some sports. All right, sport watch. Why not get some? Oh shit! This is not made for me. All right, let's see the data. Okay, time this stage. Calories, average HR, 132 BPM, heart rate. I really need to exercise more, right? Press and hold. Tap to resume. Press and hold to end. Okay, freestyle. Okay, some professional analysis. Anyway, that's it. Okay, there's a good feature, like even with water on it, even when the screen is wet, as you can see, but you can still navigate the apps what you want without a hiccup. Alright, and that is the quick unboxing and hands-on of the Xiaomi Watch S4 Sport. As time is limited, I don't get a chance to test all the cool stuff like offline map and eSIM card or that's positioning things. But I can tell you this is the most premium watch Xiaomi has ever made. And gosh, even I use it like in my daily life. I don't even need to to use outdoors. It is a good watch, it's premium and looks awesome. And if you're interested, please check out the link in the description and get one now. And please don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sami, we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.